Hello parents, and welcome to Mother Goose on the Loose Hatchlings. My name is Miss Betsy and I'm a children's librarian. I'm also the creator of the Mother Goose on the Loose program. This video will give you a taste of Mother Goose on the Loose Hatchlings Ready to Hatch, which is a program for expectant parents just like you that's being offered at your local public library. After watching this overview and completing a brief survey for us, you will receive a wonderful kit of materials. There's this great Mother Goose on the Loose tote bag, and there's also Hello My World, a wonderful cardboard book, a song sheet with all of the words to the songs in a Mother Goose on the Loose Hatchlings Ready to Hatch program, and this great early literacy calendar from the Maryland State Library with beautiful, beautiful illustrations and tips regarding things that you can do with your baby. Talking, singing, sharing books, and playing with your baby before birth has lots of benefits. Feel free to watch this video over and over again, or better yet, come to a full Hatchlings Ready to Hatch program at your local library. If you haven't already been to the library, you should check it out. Call and ask to speak to the local librarian or go for a visit when the library is open to the public. Librarians can help you find books and help you learn more about your pregnancy and about your fetus. Did you know that you can give your baby a head start in their reading and writing ability even before birth? Studies show that singing and sharing books aloud can help with a baby's brain development even before they're born. That's why Hatchlings Ready to Hatch is full of songs and rhymes for you to recite with your fetus. What we do with our children in the earliest years of life makes a difference because their brains are being formed. There are 4 simple things that you can do to make a difference in your baby's life, and I have a song about it. Talk, sing, share books and play. 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 Hooray! I hope you'll sing the songs from this video at home even before birth so your baby can become familiar with your voice. These songs, or any song, are great to sing to your fetus. When your babies are still inside you, they hear your voice and pay attention to your words. Fetuses hear sounds as early as 20 weeks. They become used to your voice while still in the womb. Reading and singing to your fetus during pregnancy creates a familiar, comforting ritual. It introduces them to words and to language in general. By sharing books now, you'll be more comfortable sharing books after your babies are born because you've practiced. 10 minutes a day is plenty. After birth, babies are comforted by hearing the songs that were sung and the stories that were read to them over and over again while they were in the womb. They may seem extra attentive or happy when you describe the pictures the same way you did when you were pregnant. This gives you an additional way to comfort them when they need calming. It never gets boring for them. Children love repetition, and sharing the same book every day encourages learning and strong language skills. Cardboard books like this one are great for babies because they're difficult to destroy but very easy to clean. They can be sucked on, dribbled on, or chewed on. The black and white pictures are easiest for newborns to see, and the thick pages are very easy for older babies to turn. You can read the whole book, or you can just read one page at a time. For instance, What's Up, Clouds? Or Hola, Baby. And then after you've read that one page, you can simply point to the pictures and talk about them. Remember, after filling out your survey at the end of this video, you can go to your local public library and pick up your bag of materials along with this book. Don't be afraid to speak to your baby in any language. This is a boost to your baby's brain. Although they can't see the book pages yet and they can't understand what you're saying, babies can still detect the different sounds of whatever language you're speaking. So sing songs in the language that is most comfortable to you. A strong foundation in any language makes it easier for babies to learn English. After your baby is born, there are many ways to share the book other than reading it page by page. For instance, if there's a picture of a bird, you can talk about the picture. For instance, look, this bird has 2 legs. 1, 2. That's 2 legs. Or you might say, is that bird smiling? I wonder what she's smiling about. Maybe she's smiling because she knows that you're listening. Connecting the pictures with the words for everyday things gives your baby building blocks for communication. You can also sing songs about the pictures. For instance, here's a picture of the sun. So you can sing, "Hello, sun, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello, sun, yes indeed, yes indeed, my baby." Or, here's a picture of some clouds. "What's up, clouds? Yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. What's up, clouds? Yes indeed, yes indeed, my baby." Smiling is powerful. Babies love to look at your face, especially when you're looking directly at them and smiling. They can also hear a difference when you sing and smile at the same time. When you're singing, the song sounds better. Here's a song to remind you. "I've got something in my pocket. It belongs across my face. I'll keep it very close at hand in a most convenient place. I'm sure you couldn't guess it if you guessed a long, long while. Well, I'll take it out and I'll put it on. It's a great big loving smile." And that's an adaptation from a Girl Scout song I used to sing. Children learn best when they feel safe and happy. If you sound upset when you're reading or sharing a book, your baby will associate reading with the way you sound. But if you sound happy when you're talking about, singing, or reading aloud from books, your child will feel good about books and will want to learn how to read. Even now when you're pregnant, when you talk, sing, and read to your baby in a loving voice, the positive emotions can be felt. Babies love to watch their own body parts moving. Newborns can't control their movements, but they love watching their feet kick, their arms wave, and their toes wiggle. Naming body parts and the movements they make helps your baby learn new words. Even before birth, you can introduce them to new words to songs. Here's a song that's fun to sing, especially when your baby is kicking you from the inside. Since you can't see my feet, I'm going to pretend that my arms are feet. Can you kick with 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet? Can you kick with 2 feet? Kick, 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 kick. Try adding to the verses as well. For instance, you can move. Can you sway from side to side, side to side, side to side? Can you sway from side to side? Sway, 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 sway. If you want, make up even more verses. You can add in movements as your baby grows and is able to move in new and different ways. Clapping to the beat turns rhymes into playful games. Feel free to change the rhymes or to make up your own. There's an old-fashioned rhyme called peas porridge hot, but who eats peas porridge anymore? So I changed the words to deal with pizza because when I was pregnant, I craved pizza. This is how it goes. Pizza, pizza hot. Pizza, pizza cold. Pizza, pizza in the box, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold. Some like it in the box, 9 days old. I do, but if you don't like it, that's okay. You can say, "Not me," or "Yuck." You want to try it with me? Let's try it together. Pizza, pizza hot. Pizza, pizza cold. Pizza, pizza in the box, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold. Some like it in the box, 9 days old. I do! You don't have to be a great singer to sing aloud. To your baby, your voice is the most beautiful sound in the world. Even if you sing off key, your baby thinks your voice is beautiful. When they've heard your voice before birth, they'll especially love hearing it after they're born. Try making shakers from simple things you have around the house. For instance, you can use a plastic container and put on popcorn kernels in it. Or you can use a sea salt container. Even a box of macaroni. You can pause this video if you want to get something to use as a shaker. I'm going to use this one and we can sing a song together. I have a little shaker, I'll shake it in the air, I'll shake it over here and I'll shake it over there. It can be a carousel going round and round. It can be a shooting star falling to the ground. I have a little shaker, I'll shake it in the air. I'll shake it over here and I'll shake it over there. Woo! Be as silly as you want. You can dance or you can move creatively. Your fetus, and later your baby, will love the combination of music and movement. You can even sing and shake while sitting, as I just did. Moving to music is good exercise, and choosing music you love makes it even better. Try to move gently along with the song you're singing. You may feel your fetus's movements as they dance along with you. Learning songs well enough to feel that you have them in your pocket ready to be pulled out whenever you want makes it easy to sing and dance with your baby. When babies are gently rocked or swayed, it reminds them of when they were in the womb, and it comforts them. Again, don't wait. It's better to start singing with your baby before they're born. As long as your pregnancy doesn't have any restrictions, you can dance with them also. Repeating something over and over again is the best way to learn. So let's do a short dance together. Let's do an adapted version of the Hokey Pokey. You put your hand in, you take your hand out, you put your hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you give a little shout. I love you without a doubt. Hug. You put your elbow in, you take your elbow out, put your elbow in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you give a little shout. I love you without a doubt. Hug. Combining music and movement together is nourishing. It's like feeding healthy food to your baby's brain. If you're too tired to dance, that's fine. Just sit and use gentle movements. Your fetus will enjoy that too. The soft, slow pace of a lullaby helps both you and your baby to relax. Since fetuses hear everything you say or sing, singing slowly or humming a quiet lullaby can help them to relax too. All babies have cranky moments, and singing a lullaby will help to calm them, and you as well. So let's slowly rock from side to side as we sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star as a lullaby. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And if you don't feel like singing, you can just hum a little bit. You can adapt that song and make up your own words too. Try adding words to reassure your fetus. For example, here's my verse for Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, for those nights when your baby keeps you awake because they're kicking you from the inside. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, what a lively baby you are. In my stomach very tight, you keep me up all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I love you just as you are. Do you remember a lullaby that your parents or grandparents sang to you? If you do, and it brings you comfort, then sing it to your baby. This is a way to honor the rich language and the cultural traditions in your family. In addition to Mother Goose on the Loose Hatchlings, the library offers many other family programs that include songs and rhymes, puppets, and books. Once your baby is born and it's not flu season, attending library programs is a great place to meet other new parents and to find new ways to play with your baby. Most public libraries have play areas just for children, and some even have spaces specifically for babies. Here's a word from your local librarians.
Hi, my name is Denise.
And I'm Barbara, and we're from the Carroll County Public Library. We hope that you've enjoyed this mini workshop with Miss Betsy on Hatchlings Ready to Hatch. Please fill out the survey and receive your take-home kit.
Feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Our phone numbers and our email addresses are listed here on the slide. And you know, we'd love to see you after your baby is born for Hatchlings in the Nest. That will take place in the fall.
Carroll County Public Library is super excited to be offering Hatchlings. Don't forget to check out our website for more information about all the resources and programs we offer young families.
And once your baby is born, please come by and say hello. We'd love to see you. Hope to see you soon.
I hope you've had lots of fun talking, singing, sharing books, and playing along with this video. If you want to hear recorded versions of the songs I've sung today, you can go to my website at www.mgol.net. Or pause this video and copy down the URL that's on the page. You can also scan in the QR code and that will take you directly to the page with all the songs and rhymes. There are even additional songs there that are used in a typical Hatchlings program. To finish this video, here's the song we first sang about the fun and easy ways to help your baby become a lifelong reader even before birth. Talk, sing, share books and play. 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 Hooray!